Elijoy solar panel multimeter, the EY1600W, which is the EY 1600 watts. This is one of their latest machine the Elijoy just produced, or testing solar panel multimeter. You will see what this guy can do. It comes with these wires with the MC4 connectors, and it comes with the plug right here. You can able to easily plug your panels, and the other one is the same clips right here, but with alligator clip on the other side here. So I just want to make a quick video and show you what this Elijoy can do. And here are the specifications on the back. So is solar panel multimeter, the EY 1600 watts. The ones I've seen is 400 watts, 600 watts, and this is the 1600. Okay, and you can see it started measuring power from 5 volts to 1600. Well, from 5 watt to 1600 watt, and the voltage gonna start from 12 volts to 60 volts. The other ones I've seen, they start from 5 volts to 60 volts. So the voltage range is a 60, which is considered a 48 volt system, and the current, it measures from 0 to 60 amps. The ones I've seen, they measured from 0 to 35 amps. So this is the latest one they just produced, and it doesn't use any battery, so it power by itself when you plug it into the inverter, to the panel, and you will see exactly how this thing works. So when you plug it in, it's gonna turn on automatically and tells the name of the company or the meter, the Elijoy, and you have auto MPPT. It will track the maximum power point tracking on your panels. Like every second it goes back and does it. It's gonna be completed test, and after that you will see the panel specification, even though the panel doesn't have any sticker on the back. Even if the panel doesn't have any sticker on the back, it will still read and tell you the specifications, the ISC, the VOC, the voltage. So it's gonna show you all that thing on that for that panel. You will know exactly what you're dealing with here, just like when you have the stickers behind the panel. So I would like you to see it has a backlight button. Some people are saying you cannot read the screen. You can push the backlight, you can see, but the screen is readable. You can read anything. You can do the manual MPPT. You're gonna do it manually instead of doing auto, which just like a charge controller, do the maximum power point tracking for you. So this is what we have here today. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. And it has a over voltage protection, a reverse polarity protection as well. I'm gonna be plugging it to a panel which we already wired, and see it's over 60 volts, and it's gonna say gonna give you a warning that is over voltage protection on that thing. Okay, this is the package that came with the Elijoy EY 1600 watts solar panel multimeter. So this is how it looks like, and we're gonna go here and unzip it. It's kind of a nice case, just like the seats they have on one of these newer cars. you know, like polyester or something, where it's kind of like a little bit hard case. Nice color, red and black. Contrast is really good. Okay, we go ahead and open up the LE-Joy. So these are the wires I was talking about here, and comes with a alligator clip and a MC4 connectors, a set of it. So you can see here are the alligator clips, and there you go. Very strong spring, retractable spring, and it has some pins here you can insert to the end of the machine, the multimeter. And here are the MC4 connectors, and it comes with manual. Just it's not even a page. So it's readable. You can pause and read, just like a little booklet. So tells you the wires there and the case. So put this one back here, and we come to the machine itself. And fly, and this is how it looks like. So since I have the camera horizontal, now it's vertical, bright yellow. It has like a kind of rough, little bit rough skin here for grip, so you can slide off your hands. It's a nice grip. So if you have small hands, then it's kind of a little bit beefy, like grabbing someone's wrist. Okay, here goes the specifications on the back. I already talked about. So stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna be testing those. This is where the probes goes, just like look like a temperature probes. This one, and it's a color coordinated or oriented. You make any mistake. In case you make a mistake by a reverse polarity, putting the red to the black, black to the red, it will still protect itself. And the screen is kind of awesome. Brighter, higher contrast, glossy, and when you turn the backlights on, it's just really cool for nighttime or whatever. QR code. Yep, it's not bad. You can get this one for $90. I think I paid $92 or $91, something like that. And I'll put a link on the description below. And if you want one of these, go to that link, and I will try negotiate with the guys so that you can be able to get 5% or whatever percentage they're going to give me for this guy when I talk to them. This is not a test model. They didn't send it for me. I bought it myself with my money. So I decided to take the 60 volt and with the 1600 watt. Like I said, I've seen the 400, the 600, the 400. I saw the 600, 800, and this is the 1600. I think this is one of their latest one. So you can see for panels below 60 volts, 1600 watts. You can put a string as long as you didn't go 60 amps, you didn't go over 60 volts, then you're good. You can able to test your string with that before bringing it to the charge controller. Well, this is what it is. LE-Joy solar panel multimeter. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Nice case though. I like the case a lot. It's really cool. Durable.